across all sectors, not just manufacturing. And we are going to the markets now to review what's been happening. We had 4 days of trading last week. And my colleague is in the studio already. And I'm also being joined by Mr. Jamiu Mohammed, who's joining us via Zoom to do an overview of the performance of the market in the past week. Mr. Mohammed, are you there? Oh, he's joining me via phone. What is your assessment of the performance of the market for last week? It was a 4-day trading week.
Yes, last week 4-day trading week closed in the red. And as we have expected that the market is going to be like this for a while now, so we believe it's going to be short-lived. Market closed in the green by 1.04% during the week. And we have about 35 stocks on the gainer list against 31 stocks on the losers list. And top on the list of we have Almost Insurance, and also we are in the list of the price decliners. We have Zenith, we have Champion Beauty, and we have Africa Potential. So if you look at sectoral indices, you realize that all the sectoral indices close in the red, with the exception of NDS Insurance. And this is not unconnected with the gain that was experienced with all consolidated Almost Insurance that have about 15% increase during the last. So the week, the 4 days trading, we have 2 days of gain and we have 2 days of loss. And the first 2 days of gain is magnitude. But if you compare it to the 2 days, the 2 days of loss that we have was magnitude. But the 2 days of gain that we have was marginal. And that is why you see the bear rule the week for us. So as we speak generally, the market may continue in the week that we are going to go in. But
talk more as we move in the week as trading continues tomorrow.
Thank you.
Effiong, what do you make of this? If you even look at it cumulatively all through the week, what would you say was the performance of the market in last week?
Well, there were attempts by some mid-cap securities to raise up their prices, but that effort wasn't that very strong. And so in the end, we saw the market receding and moving in the direction of the red arrow, to such a point that by Thursday, by Friday, we had to close the index by 1.08%, which was really very deep for. We have to mention that Transcorp in the week was really very attractive to investors.
Since when Mr. Toyola showed interest in that stock? You know, it has been this sudden change.
The new investor taking
everything it touches.
Close to 6% of the equities base. And so investors turn attention to Transcorp, and it appears that Transcorp will, for the next few weeks, be toast of investors. Generally, market remains weak, and we know the reason that the weaknesses are here and there. You know, outside the markets, you talk about the external factors, and they are not encouraging investments. And so many people want to take money from the investments. Otherwise, hold up some funds till next month closing when we have a new administration. That is the focus of majority of our investors, because they want to see direction. As it is now, you prepare your mind that at least for the first half of the year in the economy, and so you discount that from your investment basket. So all of this creates a level of minuses, you know, both in the minds of investors, the stockbrokers, and even market analysts. So you make allowances for all of this. The market fundamentals themselves are very, very strong, very good. But what is disturbing the market comes from the external, factors, government policies, infrastructure program, then the liquidity in the system. So all of this, then insecurity also. You cannot discount all of this. So that's the major reason. And we really have hope that we will have to change some of these things 2 months or so. so that we prepare for a new slate of growth. Otherwise, as your guest had said the other time, how would the economy, deal with? You can imagine manufacturers complaining so much. You understand? Whereas the focus is supposed to be on manufacturing.
Yeah.
Manufacturing is supposed to lead us. Even after manufacturing, we talk about the basic of agriculture.
Yeah,
we are not able to handle all of that.
Let's see how all of that plays out. We expect a new administration and a lot of agendas.
They have a lot to do. A lot is exactly.
Thank you so much, Effiong Ekop. That's what time can take. We wrap up the show now. Finally, crude oil prices fell more than 1%.